How to quickly erase all handwriting on the calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the calendar app. Then to erase or quickly delete all the handwriting in calendar, tap on the edit button. Then we go down and tap on the eraser icon right there. So tap on it, and then from the pop-up, tap on erase all handwriting, and that will allow you to quickly erase everything on the screen. Now tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. After that, we can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.